Hi, this is Transit Sirens 1. My new model type B, Federal Signal type B. Sorry about that. Okay, it arrived today. I said it was a type B because somebody's told me this is a type B. Says, okay, this is just, my new siren has arrived today. I'm happy that it's here. But the logo in the back, maybe where's the logo? It's in half. Yeah, it's in half. See? I was worried somebody will come in, so I decided to close the doors. Okay, let's go to the chapter. Yeah, you can see the white stuff. It's because it came in the box with a lot of plastics. I need to get that cleaned up soon. It needs paint job. It says it runs. The motor runs. I will try clean it up and then make it red in the future. See, the camera batteries are low. And it's huge. Its size. Let me show you it. Let me just move it. Yeah, I'll try to fix this up and put it up top of the house, and I may blast this out on New Year's 2012. Yeah, the wires, but yeah, it runs. Wires lead all the way over there. Yeah, it is a long wire. He tested it by this. It is a long wire. Okay. Okay, see, I bought this siren like a week ago. Actually, my mother did, just to make me have it. My father interrupted me. So he checked it out. The siren, this is the first time I've ever seen. Okay, the siren is great. I think I already said that. I think I already pointed out Chopper. Okay, still needs a paint job. I'll hope I get this fixed in the future. I already said that in the future. But okay, this siren is almost gonna be ready soon. I'd like to run it maybe soon. Thanks for watching.